Hey guys, it's me, Train Lover 123, hashtag Trains Rock here once again in Stuart, Florida. Well, today is actually Tuesday, and we've got a local train coming from here at milepost 260.9, if I'm not mistaken. And we've got a local coming, possibly local, maybe 920, I don't know. But hoping I've got a very good view of the train. It's coming down from northbound. It's a local. It's a here it comes. 411 again. Well guys, that was another freight train. I don't know which one it'll be, but hopefully my buddy on Instagram, Tommy for Trains, will be there. Will be telling me which train it is. And hoping for another great day. And having a great day today here in Stuart, Florida, milepost 260.9. And there's the work that they're doing on the Roosevelt Bridge. They're still working on the repairs on the Roosevelt Bridge. It should be almost done. But yeah. So hopefully maybe staying around in case another train comes. See you guys later in a few minutes.